For today's nature talk, Christy and I are going to do something different. The topic is crossing the Mississippi River without a bridge. We've got some friends, Jim and Ellen, who have been wanting us to come up here and do this journey across the river on the Cassville Ferry for quite some time, and it just hasn't worked out. But today, Christy and I are going to do it. So, thoughts?
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, it should be fun. My understanding is it takes 15-20 minutes to get across the river. It's $20 a vehicle, and we'll see. We'll see what it is. We haven't done it before, so we're gonna take this ride. And once we get on the ferry, I'll turn the camera back on again so you can see what we're doing. Again, it's crossing the Mississippi River without a bridge. My understanding is 12 vehicles, but you can do motorcycles, semis, bicycles. I don't know. I'm not sure about a semi on there. It doesn't seem big enough, but maybe it is. And these people coming off were the first ones for the day.
Oh, that's cool.
I don't know if the music is from the motorcycles or if it's from the ferry. I'm kind of guessing, well, they said what, it's 20 minutes?
Yeah.
But I'm kind of guessing there's no snacks provided.
Probably not. We'll have to buy our own snacks.
I should have brought along a cheese sandwich.
Yeah.
Or we could have got some smoked fish.
Yeah. Oh, we're supposed to wait. He put his hand up.
Oh, okay.
What is that thing?
Oh, I think that must be the little box they set up so that when they're on the other side, you push something and then they know that you're here. They can come get you.
Oh.
I think. I don't know. I haven't done it before.
Me either.
So this is how you cross the Mississippi River without a bridge. Yep, that's a little radio box of some sort. Did I say 12 vehicles?
I don't think there's 12.
I don't think it's going to hold 12 vehicles.
Maybe 6.
I don't know. I don't know. Where's the captain putting us? We're over here. Oh, it comes with music.
Park with the parking brake on. What's beeping?
I don't know. Might as well study everything here so I can drive if I need to.
Good morning.
Always good to know where these are at. Look at all the vehicles on here.
I think we're moving.
Well, Toots, this is like the Love Boat.
The Love Boat.
Don't say.
Exciting and
Don't say I don't take you for a river cruise.
Come aboard.
I had more courage, I would get the drone in the air and track us, but how about not?
How about not?
Regulations mandate that a safety briefing be given on every trip in case of emergency instructions by the deck. Adult life jackets are located in the white boxes on the forward side of the barge. Child and additional adult life jackets are located in the deck box of the barge. Instructions for putting on a life jacket are located inside the lids of the boxes. Please turn off your vehicle engine and engage the parking brake. Throw cigarettes overboard, as this is polluting the river and is why we have banned smoking on the vessel. If you are smoking, please extinguish your cigarette and dispose of the cigarette properly. Federal law prohibits throwing trash from a boat into lakes, rivers, bays, sounds, and the ocean within 3 miles of shore.
I bet I'm moving forward.
This includes throwing away food
I bet I'm going to be moving forward. Okay, we're going to try again. It's now really loaded. Well, how's this work?
I don't know.
Well, that's how they do it. This is how you cross the Mississippi River without a bridge.
Your husband is enjoying this, I think.
Yes, he is.
We gotta pay. So what's he do? Have the current push him to line it up?
Just current, and then he like puts it back kind of and then turns it.
Okay. And here we are.
He would pass the Miami docks.
Yeah. Say that again. Okay. Christy and I watch Miami dock videos of people that
Can't
struggle
park a boat.
to get a boat at the ramp. This guy does good. He would
Yeah,
pass.
I think he could probably park about anything.
All right, we
good.
better get in the Jeep. And this is the offloading process. And I'm really not sure when we go, but I know it's not now. We'll see which one she... Okay, it's us now. And away we go.
Thank you.
drive up the ramp, and now we're in Cassville, I guess.
Yeah, we're in Wisconsin.
And I don't think I've ever been to Cassville before.
No.
Okay, so there you have it. Now we know how to cross the Mississippi River without a bridge. If you like these kind of videos, please share it with others. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you would, and we do thank you for watching.
Bye.